Globus Gates, what's up? Happy to see you again. And just a reminder, Globus Gates is an awning installer license. So check this out. We're here in a complex building, surrounding by buildings, and this is their pool, the jacuzzi. They wanted something super nice, and there's the result. We got a 3-inch slat on top, huge beams all around, 6 beams. Everything is permitted to code. The footing, the engineering, all about it. You got this beautiful beam here for your lights. The lights are on timer. The jacuzzi is on timer. Now they can enjoy a hot, sunny California day underneath a semi-shade. We got 1-inch gaps. It gives you exactly what you need, chilling over here with some chairs and your family, and your friends, chilling in the jacuzzi and not getting that 100% sun right onto your face. This is an ultimate finish. Obviously, it's aluminum, so we have 0 problems with water. It's next to a jacuzzi. It's next to a pool. Chlorine, no problem whatsoever. It had an old wood pergola before, as you can see. It's covered. That didn't work, and that didn't survive too long, and it didn't get the vibe that this giving. This is just unbelievable, super nice, super pleasant, and actually, when you're underneath this pergola, you don't really kind of feel the surrounding. Yes, it's a kind of old building. Yes, the concrete doesn't look the best. You got old stucco here and there, but I think this is first stage, and then from there, they can put their alu globus fence around, kind of boost that up, and then, you know, smooth stucco your walls, and then eventually, in the end, replaster and then redo all the coping and all their concrete, and they have a fabulous place. But first thing first is your pergola. You got to get your pergola first. Get your shade, because who wants to be sitting on 110 outside on the boiling concrete and not having a bit shade? And you got the lights, so in the dark, you're chilling here with a friend or a girlfriend, you got a little light, you can see what you're doing, right? So, and it's not too much light. They're low voltage lights, recessed lights, yellow, so it's not too much bright, but you're not sitting in the dark in a jacuzzi. Beautiful setup, all done by Globus Gates, licensed awning installer. We get it right, we get it for the right price, and you get it from the best. And you already know Globus Gates, and that's how we roll. So from fences to gates to awnings, we got you covered. And don't forget, fences, gates, we can build it for you for installation, or you can do a DIY, or a contractor can come and pick it up. Or if you're just learning, we'll teach you all from A to Z. And pergolas, when you finish your project, we coming in and getting your pergola silky smooth the right way is the only way by Globus Gates.